how to send USDT from Binance to Phantom Wallet. Now, first of all, we need to get to withdrawal address of USDT from our Phantom Wallet. Now, first of all, open your Phantom Wallet like that. And as you can see here, I don't have the USDT on my like this on my wallet. So as you can see, so for you, you can add your USDT to your wallet to be able to get to withdrawal address. So in my case, if you don't see the USDT on your wallet, what you need to do now, you need to go back to your Binance accounts and now go to trade. Now click on convert. So as you can see here, we need to convert our USDT to Solana to be able to send it to our Phantom Wallet. So what you need to do here, in from, now click here and now select the USDT that you have funds on, and into, click here and select the Solana that you want to convert your USDT to. After that, what you need to do in here, now type the amount that you want to convert, and as you can see, this is how much you will be able to receive. So if you have like $250, you can convert it to. Now type here how much you have on USDT that you want to convert to Solana. So after you convert, now click on preview and now you can confirm the conversion. Now after you convert your USDT to Solana, so as you can see now, you can send your token to your Phantom Wallet. So in this case, we need to send the Solana. So go and open your Phantom Wallet to get to withdrawal address of Solana. Now click on Solana and now click on receive. So as you can see, you can copy the withdrawal address of Solana. Now go back to your Binance and head over to wallets. Now click on spot. And now here, click on withdraw. And as you can see in the search bar, now search for Sol like that. So after you find your token, what you need to do, now click on it. Now as you can see here in the address, you can paste the withdrawal address that you copied from your Phantom Wallet. Now in the network, leave it as Solana. And in the amount, now type the Solana that you receive from converting your USDT to Solana. So after you type how much you want to transfer, click on withdraw. In about a few seconds to a few minutes, you will be able to receive your token on your Phantom Wallet. So this is how to send USDT from Binance to Phantom Wallet on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.